Hey YouTube, welcome back to my 12 Days of Craftmas series where I'm making items out of the Pott'd Advent Calendar. Today is day 10. So, as previously mentioned, each door has a QR code with a link to a video for a tutorial craft project. It's either a continuation of a project from a previous day or a new project. I think today will be a continuation because I still have a couple of clay pieces drying that need to be painted. So let's get into today's video and see what's behind our door for today. So our QR code took us to day 10, and on the video it is... Okay, cool. So a couple days ago I made this gingerbread house, and you may remember I didn't have enough clay in the provided bag that came with the calendar, so I had to go and buy some and use my own clay, and I may have made it a little bit too thick. So I actually did have to shave it down a little bit, which I'm not going to go into, but I got it looking like a decent house, and now let's paint it. First up, base coat, like with all the other projects so far. Just a little white coat, cover the entire thing. And okay, so you may remember I didn't have my potted paints. Well, Pott'd sent me a set of 8 paints to make up for that, which has now arrived. So I'm just going to use their paints for this one. So they have a brown in that, and I'm using that to paint the walls of the house brown whilst leaving the roof white. Okay, and I've got some white paint now, so I'm going to go over the roof with the white paint just to make it nice and solid and fill in any of the gaps. And there we have it. It's all painted up, ready for the next bit, which is the finer details. I'm painting some details on the walls. The instructional video goes into some good detail on what to do for the front and the side. It doesn't show what to do on the back of the house or the other wall, so I just improvise those, but I'm sort of copying the pattern that they have in the video, making a door and a window and then just putting little bits and bobs to kind of bring it to life and make it look a little bit more like a gingerbread house. Okay, painting the roof. The tutorial has these lines that you're painting diagonally across either way to make sort of squares. I did use a finer paintbrush than what was provided with the kit to get this done, and I did do a couple of coats of the brown paint just to make the lines nice and solid. I took my time with this as well because it was easy to stuff up and make a mistake with the lines. Okay, and I finished painting all of my walls for my gingerbread house, and this is how it's looking. I'm quite happy with how it turned out. It looks much better now that it is painted, and the final step, of course, is to varnish the entire piece. Just painting over the entire thing with the gloss varnish and letting it dry for the rest of the day. It does take several hours to dry. And here is my finished gingerbread house with the varnish all dry. It's looking quite cute. It is probably too heavy to hang on my Christmas tree, so I think I might just pop that on my dining table as a little centerpiece, but overall pretty happy with how this one turned out. If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to see more of my videos. Thanks for watching.